Burning eyes can disrupt your day, making simple tasks like working or driving a challenge. Burning eyes describe a stinging or burning sensation in one or both eyes. This symptom can range from mild irritation to severe discomfort that persists for weeks or months. It usually occurs due to irritation or a lack of adequate lubrication in the eyes. Several factors can cause burning eyes, including 1. Allergies. Exposure to allergens like pollen, dust, pet dander, or mold can cause burning eyes, especially if you touch your eyes after contacting these allergens. 2. Dry eye. When your eyes don't produce enough tears or when your tears evaporate too quickly, your eyes can become dry and irritated, leading to a burning sensation. 3. Irritants. Chemical exposure such as chlorine in pools, cigarette smoke, or strong fragrances in personal products can irritate your eyes and cause burning. 4. Low humidity. Dry indoor air, especially during winter, can reduce moisture in your eyes, causing them to burn. 5. Photokeratitis, also known as an eye sunburn. Photokeratitis can occur after exposure to UV rays from the sun, tanning beds, or certain types of lasers. 6. Pink eye, conjunctivitis. This inflammation of the conjunctiva can be triggered by allergens, viruses, or bacteria, leading to burning, redness, and a gritty feeling. 7. Overuse of screens. Prolonged use of digital screens such as phones or laptops without taking breaks can strain the eyes and lead to burning sensations. It's important to take regular breaks to rest your eyes. If your burning eyes aren't caused by a serious condition, you can try these home remedies to find relief. 1. Rose water. Applying rose water to your eyes can help soothe burning, remove crusting, and nourish your eyes. 2. Baby shampoo. Gently clean your eyelids with diluted baby shampoo to remove crusting and reduce irritation. 3. Eye drops. Use over-the-counter artificial tears to combat dryness. Opt for preservative-free drops if you have sensitivities. 4. Eye wash. Flush out irritants with warm tap water or a sterile saline eye wash. Prevention is key to avoiding the discomfort of burning eyes. Here's how you can minimize your risk. 1. Avoid allergens. Stay away from known triggers, close windows during high pollen seasons, and use air filters indoors. 2. Be gentle. Avoid rubbing your eyes, which can irritate them and spread germs. Opt for personal and household products that are free of strong fragrances or fumes. Wear goggles when swimming to keep pool water out of your eyes, and sunglasses to shield your eyes from UV rays. Wash your hands before touching your eyes and avoid sharing personal items like makeup or eye drops. 3. Limit screen time. Take regular breaks when using digital screens to reduce eye strain and prevent burning. Burning eyes can be uncomfortable, but with the right care and preventive measures, you can protect your eyes and maintain your daily activities without disruption. If in doubt, never hesitate to consult a healthcare provider to ensure your eyes stay healthy and comfortable.